In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the interior door handle on the front doors of this Lexus IS250. Let's get started. Up by the door handle, there's a panel or a little trim piece that covers one of the mounting screws. So with a small screwdriver, pry it out from the backside, and with a Phillips head screwdriver, remove that screw. Let's remove the master switch panel. Use a plastic trim tool, gently pry it up from the front and then the rear so we can get access to the connector. If you flip it over, you can unplug the two connectors, press on the locking tab and pull them away. Set the switch aside. Now with either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket, remove the bolt, or the screw I should say, holding on the door panel support onto the door itself. Go around the perimeter of the door panel with a plastic trim tool and pop it away from the door itself so we can release the panel. Now lift it straight up and out. Okay. Let's unhook the door handle and lock indicator cable. Pull this out and unhook it. Set those aside. A little bit further down, we have a connector for the tweeter speaker. Unplug that. And a little bit further down, we have a connector for the seat memory switches. At the bottom of the door, you'll see the courtesy light. The connector can't be unplugged because it'll hit this, but if you push out on the entire lens assembly, you can take it and disconnect it once it's popped out of the door by pressing on the locking tab. You can take this out and just temporarily resecure this so you don't misplace it. Now from the back of the door panel, to remove this handle, we have to remove this piece of metal first, just a little bit of bracing piece here, and we have to pull off the 3 Phillips head screws. And now the 4 that hold the handle on. This one actually can stay in partially. For the last one, we actually have to remove this felt piece here, the weather stripping, and what we need to do for that is I'm going to use a pry bar. You could use a flathead screwdriver, whatever you have that's a little wider on the end, and you want to stick it right in between the plastic and the metal retainer. Push up and out at the same time. That's going to unclip it. All right, we only need to go this far because now we can get to the screw. Now you take your door handle, pull it out, and there it is. Take your new door handle, line it up over here, and of course everywhere else, press it into the door, and I'll snug it up just so it doesn't fall. And reinstall the other fasteners. Now to press this back into place, you just line it up and push it. And now, this bracket. Now let's plug this light back in. However, if you remember, we had to unclip the assembly, so we'll push it back out. Stick the wire through the door panel, reattach it, and then clip this back in. Reconnect your electrical connectors on the back of the door. Although these look similar, they can only plug into one spot. And now, of course, the cables. The green cable is going to be the door handle, and the white one, the door lock. Okay. Now take the door panel, hook it right up and over this lip of the door. All right. With everything lined up, tap the door panel in. All the push clips that are around it should snap in and kind of lock it into place. All right. Let's put this screw back in. All right. Reconnect your switches. And press it in. This hole needs to line up with this tab, and same in the front. If these don't line up, don't press it because they can easily break, and that should lock in. And the screw up top. Snug it up. It's only holding into plastic, so you don't want to strip that out or it won't hold on very well. And then, of course, the cap that hides it. And job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.